Buongiorno, welcome to the show. My name is Massimo and I'm cooking for you today pasta e pisselli.
Scioricci tutto l'anno, l'amore camera se ti ricordo. La 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 la.
Allora, welcome back and let's start with my pasta e pisselli. Let me just give some information about pasta e pisselli. Pasta e pisselli. Pisselli means green peas in Italian, which is a very traditional of central Italy dish from Napoli, to be fair. And it's very nice for winter time and for when the cold comes. But let's start from using the right pasta. At the moment we like to use the farfalle. It's called farfalle, this kind of pasta in Italy, which is absolutely fantastic. When you cook with the farfalle, it will stay al dente for a long time. If you know how to keep it, we use for a pasta with piselli, or for a cold pasta, which is the salad pasta, we usually use this one. The water is boiling already, so I'm going now to pour this pasta into the boiling water. As I always say, the pasta will take about 4, 5, maximum 6 minutes to be al dente. Magic word, al dente, don't ever forget. In the meantime, while the pasta take the right time of cooking, we are going to prepare our sauce ingredient, which is today bacon, but the proper Italian one. As you can see, la pancetta, yeah, which is delicious, very tasty, a bit more salty, but gives you the right taste of authentic Italian food. So we put olive oil into the frying pan, the bacon, we fry the bacon, then slowly we start to add the green peas, and after the green peas we can add a little dash of white cream to give that little bit more density. But again, you can avoid the cream and use the wine instead, white wine or red wine or rosé wine. It's up to your choice. Remember, always you go freedom on that, because it's how the taste you want to come at the end, and the color as well. Okay, let's start with olive oil into the frying pan. Just cut it fresh onion. Yeah. Coppa, pancetta or bacon, as you want to call, as you can see. We wait until it gets nice and crispy. You can see the nice color of the onion, which is coming out on top of the taste, which is absolutely fantastic, delicious, and the perfume. È bello e fresco. Allora, we are going to put our green peas, in Italian piselli. We are going to add just a spoon of single cream. Voila, not too much. Once again, you can do this with a single cream, or, as I said, with a dash of wine. I suggest for the bacon using a rosé wine. If you use the red wine, it's nice, but it gets a bit darker the color. It's up to your taste once again, but my suggestion is a nice rosé glass of wine. Now, as you can see on the side, we just took off the pasta, which is cooked al dente. Mamma mia, buona! Into our green peas and... Prego, signor. I'll do it slowly, of course, just to show you how it's mixing up. If you are at home as a housewife or a great man chef, because not always women cook, as we well know. We cook quite well as well, yeah? Allora, bellissimo, guarda. We got only a couple of final touch to this dish. One is a little bit, and again, you can use or not, depending if you are giving to kids. Usually I wouldn't like to put any black pepper, but the recipe comes with the black pepper if you do want to. So no obligation to put or not a little dash of black pepper. Yep. Ecco fatto, just to give a little touch. You can go with the fantastico parmesan cheese. Bello. It's a very simple plate, my friends, and it's something which usually you can do with exactly, I tell you, with the £3 in money. 2 or 3 people they can eat in a family. It's absolutely a full meal. It's fantastic, healthy. It's got all the vitamin you need from the green peas, the bacon, the pasta, everything. That is called a proper, authentic Mediterranean Napolitan meal. Now we are going to do the final touch. Again, ecco fatto. We take a couple of eggs very quickly. Egg will mix up with all the dish. It will give you a little bit the sample like we do the carbonara, but of course it's a different recipe. E musica per le mie orecchie. Forza Napoli! I wish I could bite in a second, but I'm going to serve the customer first. Follow me, please. Andiamo. Perfetto. Look at the color. Now it's still, as you can see, the time I moved from the frying pan, from the gas cooker to the plate, it's still cooking. Forza Napoli! Forza Napoli è the real mangiare! Il vero mangiare napoletano! Autentico, ragazzi! Autentico! Guarda che bello! Ok. Parsley. Eccolo qua, bello bello bello, una foglia di basilico, but ancora un piccolo formaggino sopra così, guarda che bello. Ecco qua amici, pasta e piselli napoletana is served. The magic word, al dente, autentico, fantastico.